Hello guys, it's Talk with Stella here again. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your flyer, how to create your business flyer, any type of flyer, an occasion flyer, your child education flyer, your wedding flyer, your invitation flyer, any flyer, name it. Just using your smartphone and this app Canva, I'm going to teach you how to create a flyer, your own beautiful flyer, design it anyhow you want, make it anyhow you want. Let's go.
App is a free app. If you do not have it, you can go now and download it on your phone. When you open it, you come up to the search button and you search for business flyers. Look at it. I just search for business flyer and it will take you search for it and it will bring you here. There's a lot of them for you to choose the one you want to use. There's a whole lot. Just choose the one at all that you want to use. But take note of this pro, because you can't use the one they write pro because you do not pay for it. You have to subscribe to the app before you use only one that they write pro. So just look for the free ones. There are a lot of free ones as well. Like this one now is free. Let's use this one. You tap on it and you allow it to load for some time. When you have loaded, all you have to do is to change everything here to the one to your business or anything you are designing it for. Let me say I want to change this picture now. I will just tap on the picture and I will come down to the place. It will take me to my gallery. When you take me to my gallery, I will put this this is the dress that someone sent for me to do it with her now, do it for her on the page. So when you put it, you can see the dress have automatically come to this one. Then you tap on this one again, then you come down to replace, then you bring in the second dress, anything at all you want to design. Then the third one as well, you replace it with any, if it's your birthday or your cake, your business, anything at all you are doing. Remember, you can if you think that is small enough, it's not big enough, you can resize it. Like you can resize it to your taste, you understand? So then coming to the writing, the write up, all you have to do is to do the same thing. You come to this place. Let's start from the first write up. You tap on the first write up, this one. You have to do is to come down to edit. Look at it. Once you come down to edit, it will bring you to the typewriter. So all you have to do is to remove everything on this first line. Then you put in, let me say, I've forgotten that girl name. Oh, Mama, sorry, Jerry. Pretty dresses. And this is pretty dress, just like this. I don't want to make this picture, made the video long ago. Pretty dress. Then even this one, you can edit this one as well. This one now, you can edit it to anything. You can cut it, like cut it or increase it. You can make it to be this size. Just look at it now. Any size at all you want it to be, you can achieve it with this or this one. Then after you are done, then come down to here. Maybe you want to put your business name. You still come down to edit. You now put it. You move the one there right there. Then now put your business in house of pretty. Sorry, house of dress. Just let's use it like this though. So remember, let me tell you another one. So when you are done with this, if you think that you don't like this thing, you don't write the what is it called again, this write up, you can come down here and you can resize it. You can just reduce the size from here, just like this. Then if you don't like the color, you don't like the black color, you can still come down and change the black color to red, to green, to any color at all you want, just like you see me doing now. Okay, let's use this white is okay. Then you can come down here to your services. You can change just like that. The car watch, you come down, you still edit it, put what your business is all about. Clothes, I think I have to stop because of your data, because I know say data don't cost very well. So that is how you're going to. Then if you come to down to, you can just come down here as well. You edit and put your number. Like you want to put your business number. This one that they charge in money, the design flyer for now. They charge in money, the design flyer for now. Just like this. I almost put my number now. So just like this. Then this one again, you can still edit it. You can still remove it. Look now, just if you want to scroll it up and keep it here, you can keep it here. If you want to keep it down, you can keep it down, just like this. Then you come down to, let me replace this one with a which of our cloth again will I use? Let me use this our cloth again, just like this. Now you have seen we automatically change everything. Then if you come down to the background, you don't like the background of the picture, what you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on the background, you see the background we are using. Tap on the background, you see the different background. Let's change the background to this color. Change it to this color. I think this color is better, right? Change it to this color. Let's go with this color. As you can see, you have automatically design your flyers yourself. Remember, if you can change the this thing, the front of the write up. You can change it anyhow you want it. You can change it like this, just like you do on CapCut. All these things are free of charge here. So this is for me. This is me telling you thank you for always watching my content. Like, I want you to appreciate you. I don't have money for data for this thing. Just like this, just like this. As you can see, we have automatically changed everything. If you think you want to remember, you can increase it. Like, when you touch on it, you can increase it a little, like this. Now you just hold the line and increase it, just like this. I see me doing. You can put your cake, your chin chin, whatever you are doing, and after plot it, save it. Look at where they say download. You tap on download and it's save on your phone.